Uh,
Which one do you write with?
So I write with my right hand.
But you throw with your left.
It's a different thing. I'm right-handed. Just say right-handed.
Okay, it doesn't really matter. I'm just talking.
Okay.
So you're right-handed.
Sure.
Okay. So what you're gonna do is with your right hand, I want you to make a fist. Okay, and with your other hand, I want you to put your palm up like this. Okay, you see that? Okay, good. Now, this is where we're gonna start our next imagination game. So you're gonna close your eyes, and now what I want you to do is tighten up your fist. Good. I want you to tighten up that fist, make it tighter and tighter, and it's gonna be like you're holding onto a pail, like a bucket. Okay.
Okay.
And it's like that bucket, and there's a bucket right there. You're doing perfect. There's a bucket here, and I'm going to be pouring sand into the bucket, and it's getting heavier and heavier and heavier. And your right hand is going to be dropping heavier and heavier, more and more. And in your left hand, in your other hand, I'm going to be having a helium balloon tied to your wrist. There's this giant helium balloon tied to your wrist, and it's going to make it lighter and lighter and lighter, and it's going to go up as it raises more and more. Now, just use your imagination, and imagine that I'm pouring water in the bucket. I'm pouring water in the bucket, and it starts to get heavier and heavier and heavier. And then, just using your imagination, and if you don't see it, that's fine, just imagine that you can see it. I'm tying another helium balloon to the top of this other wrist. And so there's another helium balloon on this wrist as it goes higher and higher. And then I'm mixing in and I'm pouring in rocks into the bucket. And the rocks make it heavier and heavier and heavier. As it gets more and more, heavier, more and more, more and more. And now as your right hand gets heavier and heavier and it starts to go down and down, then your left hand gets lighter because I'm tying another helium balloon. And another helium balloon makes it go lighter and lighter and lighter. And as you use your imagination, I begin to add 2 more buckets to your right hand. Boom! And it gets heavier. And then I tie 10 more balloons to your left hand. Just like that. Now open your eyes.
What the?
Oh, yeah. That's awesome. What'd you think of that?
That's weird. That's pretty weird. That's cool.
So it really seems like you could almost feel them, huh?
Almost. Like, and because I know that they're not there, right? But like, it feels like...
It's just your imagination.
It's like that one... Okay, there's another one of these games that I